Lanterman, come in! This is Martian Starfighter. We're losing power!
My energizing battery will recharge your sonic signal. Prepare for power transfer.
With our galactic sonar beacon recharged, we're ready for any emergency! Thanks, Lanterman! Oh, you too, Speedy.
Thanks, Martian Starfighter. Just keeping the galaxy safe.
Galactic geysers! You fixed it just in time! A smoke alarm's going off at Sunny Oaks. They need your help.
I hear that loud and clear. To Saturn, then the...
Lanterman, wait! Earth is a Class 5 planet. You'll need to blend in.
Roger that. Activate disguise ray.
Genius! Assume identity of Firefighter Larry!
To Saturn, then the stars!
Hello, 911? This is Dexter, reporting an emergency. That was fast.
Well done, firefighting citizen!
Oh, well, thank you.
Have we met before?
Oh, having a fire extinguisher close by, knowing how to use it, and calling 911, that's the kind of quick thinking that saves homes and lives. How did the fire start?
Well, it was lunchtime, which, of course, means chicken-flavored ramen. Out of order? I figured if, in issue number 32, Lanterman could defeat the Blarg using stone knives and bearskins, then I too could resort to using primitive measures and cook my ramen on the stove. But the story in Lanterman was so exciting, I needed to find the next issue. And I didn't notice something was on fire. So much for my lunch. And my collector's edition issue number 32. Sorry about all this.
Yes, well, accidents can happen. Fortunately, the fire didn't do much damage, but fires can quickly get out of hand, so it's important to always be prepared.
That's right, Mr. Fireman. As per Title 22 regulations, licensed providers should always have fire extinguishers accessible. And all residents of Sunny Oaks know the evacuation plan in case of a bigger emergency.
It's true, we practice. Find a safe exit and wait for Nova across the street on the sidewalk.
While residents can help each other, the entire staff is trained to assist those who may need extra help.
Excellent! It's a good idea for everyone to follow these safety guidelines, whether you're required to or not. That's right, Firefighter Turtle. A bag with emergency supplies for a few days, first aid, important documents, and irreplaceable personal items are a must, in case you gotta go fast.
Hey, let's all make one.
I'm going to need a bigger bag to fit all my Lanterman action figures. Wait, that turtle looks familiar.
Safety first, Dexter. Essentials only. And test your smoke detectors regularly to make sure they're in good working condition. Ah, that's the sound of safety. Also, if you have any questions, reach out to the Regional Center for support. Come, Speedy. Our work here is done.
Speedy? Wait, could it be? Nah.
Another mission complete. Now service providers are reminded how to handle small home fires and know it's important for everyone to be aware of fire hazards. Have fire extinguishers easily accessible and make sure that people they support know how to use them. Have essentials ready in case of an evacuation. Make sure smoke detectors work. Have an evacuation plan. Know how and when to call 911 and
know who to contact when questions arise. Remember, Capeless Heroes, we're all in this together. Prepare today for a safe tomorrow. Until next time, to Saturn, then the stars!